Excellent, so we have 3x equals 8. And then what would we do, Rhea? I work really hard to build these relationships, and that is something I definitely pride myself on. Why is it called the constant, Sai?
Because it's always the same.
Right, like, yes, nothing is happening to it.
She's probably the best teacher. Like, she just makes like everything so much fun. Like everything she does it with so much energy.
It just gives off the effect of, I understand you, I've been through it. And I feel like you could talk to her more.
That's, sorry, I don't want to cry. That makes me happy because that's what I want. And I mean, I don't, yes, I want them to learn math, but I need them to know that they have someone that's supporting them, and that I'll be there for them, you know, till their graduation day and beyond.
I always like to think about the work our teachers do daily in the classroom, developing relationships with our students. We know when students have a trusting adult that they feel comfortable with, that they're more willing to reach out if they need help.
As you can probably see from the rest of her room, she's obsessed with flamingos. And so we can get little prizes from doing stuff, and the socks are one of them.
I think the biggest thing is just like building like the traditions, and Friday is my favorite day of the week. It's Flamingo Friday. I have what I call like Kriner's Flock, and those are like my group of kids that or just really any of my students, even kids that aren't my students, they're my flock. I think when you build that atmosphere, like when that atmosphere of inclusivity, whenever everyone feels like they belong, that they're going to work hard. It all goes back to like the kids have to know that they like feel loved before anything else.
She's creating a place where students feel safe. I mean, even the students use that language, and they know she's a safe person for them to go to. And there's no doubt that if a student's struggling or having a hard time, that I think A, the teacher would notice it, but B, the students will feel comfortable talking to the teacher. You know, and then that's what we do, is train our teachers to know what to do if a student reaches out with a mental health concern.
0.25, yes.
Math is like not my best subject, but she makes it so much fun.
Whatever Kriner's doing seems to be working, huh?
Right? They are. They're in the 90s, that's awesome. I do think it's working, but again, the kids have to know that they have someone, like on campus for them. So we want to multiply it by 7/6.